Yes, welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Today I would like to deliver information about BEd first year, first semester psychology paper. Here I would like to deliver few important topics like first unit. Here I given few questions in the previous video. Now I am giving the remaining questions. Now I would like to discuss about adolescence. This is a very important topic. Previous came few questions. Explain the physical and emotional development of us adolescents, like that came in 2020. And 2017 also came. Why is the adolescence period is called trauma and stress? Explain, like that came. This is very important topic. First of all, see what is the term adolescence. This term adolescence is coming from a Latin words adolescere. It means to grow or to grow to maturity. This is a period of transition from childhood to adulthood. This is a transitional period. Adolescence is the period of development to the onset of puberty to the maturity. Psychologists define in several ways. They are giving several definitions, different psychologists. Here, one by one, we are seeing what are the definitions of adolescence. Ambron, 1975. According to Ambron, adolescence is the bridge between childhood and adulthood. According to Amran, adolescence is the bridge between childhood to adulthood. This is the transitional period, adolescence. It is the time of rapid development of characteristics like sexual characteristics, discovering one's real self, and maturity, defining personal values, and finding one's vocational and social directions like that. This is the bridge between the childhood to adulthood, according to Amran. Next one, Harlock, 1981. Adolescence, according to Harlock, adolescence begins when children become sexually mature and ends they are legally mature to the age, that means legal maturity. At the ends, legal maturity. Starting, they are sexually mature and ends when they are reach the legal maturity of age. Next one, Fernald and Fernald. According to Fernald, adolescence is the period between the ages of approximately here 13 to 20 years for boys, 2 years earlier for girls. During this period, individuals acquires the secondary sexual characteristics. Therefore, adolescence like a transactional period from childhood to adulthood. Here we are seeing so many changes like biological, physical, next emotional, like sexual. So many changes we are noticing in adults. How to learn some new skills and they have to put in their life. They have to develop new skills in their life in developmental stages. Why? Because they are, this is a transactional period. They are not childish. Sometimes they are act like a childish, but they have to keep that all childish activities put in one place, and they have to learn new skills. It is must and very important. They have to learn new skills and they have to apply problem solving skills in their life activities. Adolescence is a next one. Problem is next point is adolescence is a problem is why, because they are they don't know, they have some little information and little knowledge and little training, so they don't know, they have to get so many doubts. Here problem is why, because na they can't act like a child or adult. Here confusion state. Next one, adolescence is a time of searching for identity. Next point, it is a time for searching for identity. Here, children begin to craft for identity. They want to become a new role model like that. They want to achieve success, whatever it may be. They have to be search for identity and are no longer satisfied to like to their peers. They are search for their identity uh, in this period. Adolescence is a next point. uh, searching it is a unrealism, time of unrealism. They develop unrealistic aspirations, like that. It is a time of unrealism. This is a period of storm and stress. Adolescence is a period of storm and stress period. Their bodily, physical changes and glands releasing some secretions. So many here changes, stirred up movements in their body. We are noticing in the why, because here all get confusion, storm and stress. Here they have to follow health and hygiene, so many activities. Here glands secretions, they have to maintain hygiene. Here some they feel like shy, like that na. Next one, adolescence is a hero worshipper is some role models, whatever it may be. They are following whatever they are giving some good advertisement like cool drinks, whatever hairstyles, whatever branded shoes, branded t-shirts, like that. Whatever it may be, it is not good or bad. Not see, people follow their hero worshipper, who likes, if they are giving some advertisement means that they are following the trend, like that na. It is a hero worshipper is. Next one, sex consciousness. Sex consciousness, they are no information about that gland secretions, that all they identify. They are interested in opposite sex. They are making friendship with opposite sex. They are interested that sex related information. They are knowing. They are gather information from different objects, like that na. Next one, peer group relationship is too intense in adolescence period. They are making some individual groups, like that, sharing their feelings, whatever it may be, with their peers. They are making so many secrets. They are not share with their parents, like to become achieve success, like that. They are doing some hard work. They are search for trying to search for identity, like that na. This is all about, you can write short answer. This is enough for that short answer. If it came long answer, you have to write developmental characteristics. You have to remember one formula here, PSISE. You have to remember here, PSISE, physical development. Yes, sexual development. I for intellectual development. S for social development. E for emotional development. First of all, physical development. Here, physical development, physical growth, we are noticing its peak level. It's gives good shape. We are seeing in physical development. Here, we are noticing it gives a final shape in physical development. Here, the glands become active and produce secretions. Individual attains maturation. Here, biological maturation, which accompanied by the biological secondary sexual characteristics, appearance of the secondary sexual characteristics, facial, viscous, hair in the forearms, armpits, chest, we are noticing, breast development, we are noticing. These are all about physical development. It's reaches its final shape. All breast development, viscous, armpit, shoulders, chest, hair, we are noticing. Breast development and glands releasing hormones, biological maturation, starting secondary sexual characteristics, etc. Next one, sexual development. Next one, sexual development. PSISE. Physical development over sexual development. Here, sexual development here. The onset of puberty earlier in girls. We are saying here boys are 13 to 20 years of we are saying, but girls earlier, 2 years earlier in puberty, here who are healthy, that girls 12 13 years, that time they are getting started maturation cycle. Here noticing who are weak, they will get later stages, but actually 2 years before, compared to boys, 2 years earlier in noticing in girls, maturation starts, first maturation cycle starts in girls. Boys reach puberty at the age, here nocturnal emissions. Girls also here breast development. Here we are seeing here facial whiskers, armpit, chest. Here shoulders. We are seeing hair. Next one here, breast development. We are noticing here sexual development here. Uh, Mainly here AHH. AHH, we have to remember. A for autoerotism, homosexuality, heterosexuality. Autoerotism, this is common. It is a biological phenomena. Here, boys attracted to girls, girls attracted to boys, they are fall in love. This is common phenomena. Autoerotism, biological common phenomena. Here, this is common. Okay, autoerotism. Boys shows interest to girls, girl shows towards interest to boys, like that they are fall in love with one another, like that na. This is autoerotism. Homosexuality, next one after one, heterosexuality. Homosexuality means same gender group, boys boys, girls girls, they are fall in love, their shows interest towards one another, like that. Homo, same gender, same girls boys boys, like that. They are showing interest to one another. Next one, heterosexuality. Here heterosexuality means here one boy or one girl making so many members, they are maintaining lovers, like maintaining heterosexuality. One are maintaining so many members relationships, that one heterosexuality. This is very dangerous. uh, Heterosexuality, here they are maintaining so many issues. They are feeling storm and stress. They are making one member to, they have to hide one relationship to another na? Why? Because they are making so many relationships. Heterosexuality, like that they are feeling storm and stress. Boys and girls, they are making interested to making friendships, and they are making even establishing relationships. That means like sexual relationships, etc. This is leads to heterosexuality. Their homo means the same. Boys, they are attracted, they are interested towards each other. Hetero means boys, girls boys, like that. One member making so many relationship with the opposite sex. Autoerotism means common biological phenomena. Here they are fall in love with each other. Here girls loving with boys, like that na. Biological phenomena. Autoerotism, homosexuality, heterosexuality. AHH. Next one, intellectual development. Intellectual development. It is a period of great intellectual development. Here, according to Piaget, here their ability to think creatively, problem solving approaches, they are following critical analysis, like that. They are making hypotheses. They are making so many problem solving approaches, connecting projects, whatever it may be. Intellectual development develops at its peak level. Here, this is the power of imagination, creativity, developing facts, concepts, principles like that in this stage. Next one, adolescence is the period of social conformity, social development. Here they are. It is a period of social conformity. Hero worship is whatever it may be. Hero using any branded shoes, branded T-shirts, like that. They are following same. If it hero will tone shirts, tone fans will be wearing means here also who are following that heroes or heroines, whatever it may be, same branded shoes, t-shirts. If it the cloth is not good also, they are making so much effort, so much money like that. Here some boys they are making hairstyles. If it that's looking like bird's nest also, they are not see, they are only they are showing their interest towards their heroes or heroines, whatever it may be. Like that only they are following that hairstyles or branded shoes, t-shirts, like that they are using. This is the hero worshipper age. In this stage they are making heterosexual relationships. We are saying here they are making so many relationships with the opposite sex members. Here they are feeling storm and stress. Why? Because they have to maintain so many relationships with they are hiding one member to another member. That's why they want so much money also. They have to go one place to another place now. So they want so much money. So here parents are not giving money. So they are doing some crimes. They have to um, fulfill their needs, aspirations, desires, etc. Na? Like that. Here, group loyalty becomes common in teenagers. Here, a feeling of social responsibility develops during this time. This is all about social development. Emotional development in this we are seeing here bodily changes and glands secretions that all stirred up moments. It's reaches the emotions are peak level. They are responding. Sometimes they are irritating. We are noticing emotional instability and intensity. It is a period of heightening of all emotions. They are constant in emotional expressions. They develop competencies to bear tensions. This is all about emotional development in adolescence period. This question came previous, so you have to concentrate and you have to gather more information. If you want more updates about online classes, important questions, you can like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends. Bye.